Hey guys, I hope everybody had an okay week last week. Just remember that I'm not here this whole week. I'm on vacation. So remember there is no Google Meets this whole week. So if you're waiting for me in Google Meets, you can go ahead and get off and start doing your work. Um, Attendance for the virtual students are going to be based on whether you did the work or not. So if you did not do the work for that day, on that day, you will be marked absent. If you did the work for that day, on that day, you will be marked present. Okay, attendance for the face-to-face kids are going to be based on whether or not you were in class at the time. The sub will be there to take attendance, and you are required to do the work for that day. Um, when I come back on Monday, if you guys have not done the work for the week, just know that I am going to be calling parents during class to let them know that because you are required to do my work and you are expected to do my work. And if your parents don't know that you aren't doing my work, they will find out. I will be calling them, I promise. Um, Grades are already posted in Skyward for the fourth 6 weeks. If you have any questions or concerns about the grade that is in Skyward for algebra, please make sure that you send me an email or that you send me a message, and I will try my best to help you out by Wednesday. Grades need to be in by Wednesday, and I have already put in my grades, but if you need me to change anything or if you have questions about anything, just let me know. Send me a message, okay? Um, Anything else? I think that is it. I will be posting this video every day for you to watch, just in case you didn't watch it one day. Have a great week, and I will see you back when I get back on Monday. Send me a message if you need anything. Please make sure that it's important because I'm taking time out of my day to answer those questions as needed, okay? Bye.